Hello friends, welcome to the TMAST channel. This is Java interview series video 3. So here we have the very basic question that's asked in the very beginning of the interviews. So difference between an array and an array list. So let's begin. So the first difference between an array and an array list is resizable. So as you all know that array is static in size and you cannot modify the size of an array once it has been created. But this is not the case with the array list. Array list is dynamic in size, and as you add more elements, the size of the array list will increase. So next, performance. So now in the case of array list, there's a method called as resize that is called whenever you're trying to insert a new element into the array list, and now this will slow the performance as it will use a temporary array to copy the elements from the old to the new array. So if you are trying to add new elements to the array list very frequently, so if it is increasing the capacity of the array list, that will decrease the performance. Next, if you're trying to add or get from the array list, so that is almost the same kind of performance that you will get in the case of the array also. So these methods have the same performance. Next, primitives. Now an array list cannot contain primitive data types, while an array can contain primitive data types also and objects also. So now you will ask a question like, an array list, yes, I can store primitives in array list, but really what's happening inside is the order boxing with JVM. So if you try to add, let's say 23 to an array list object, so what you're trying to do is that you're trying to add a primitive, but order boxing by JVM happens, and then this primitive is converted into an object of integer type. So this a misconception that we can store primitives in array list, but we cannot. So the next, here comes type safety. So in an array you cannot store a different data type that you have specified while creating the array. Let's say you have created an array by specifying that I will store integers in it. So now you cannot go on and store floats in it. So if you try to do so, you will get an array store exception, but in the case of an array list, you can ensure that type safety is present by using generics. So next, here comes multi-dimensional nature. So an array can be multi-dimensional, like 2-dimensional array, 3-dimensional array, but in the case of an array list, it can only be single dimensional. So that's it for this video, guys. There's a lot more videos coming up every week, so please do subscribe to the channel and please share comments regarding this video in the comment section below, and please don't forget to watch the next video, understanding array list with an example in Eclipse IDE. So until then, be must and keep rocking. I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.